Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have magnetic adapters with the wings made for machines like HTC or whoever has drive plates made for that style of diamond. So this right here is so you can change your diamonds fast. You're not married to any proprietary system. So end of year, you should see savings north of 10%. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have one of our top sellers, the Rhombus and the double 16 grit medium bond. Now this is a true 16 grit, meaning it's not like a synthetic diamond, and it's a heavy concentration. Great for doing heavier build-up coatings. If you want to do heavy stock removal, it has a phenomenal life. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have the premium half bar shredders. Now this is the perfect tool for removing soft build coatings. From epoxies all the way to glues, it's perfect. Underlayments, no problem. Leaves a nice scratch profile. It has a great wear rate. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have the half bar 25 grit medium bond grinding plates. This is a great tool for lightweight machines. And if you really want to do some heavy stock removal under a heavyweight machine, you really will see that. It has a great wear rate. It works wet and or dry. And message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have the 3-inch 76mm Raven copper hybrid pad. This is a great tool to take out some coarse metal scratches without being sacrificed, meaning they don't wear out super fast when you take out a coarse scratch. Leaves a beautiful scratch finish. And you know what? It has a great wear rate. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have the 80 grit premium single button medium bonds. This is with the tapered edges, great for machines like Lavina's or whomever has the drive plates made for that style of diamond. Now the 80 grits is great for grind and seals. It's premium, so holds a heavier concentration of diamond versus the norm. Has a great wear rate. Message me now.